How to apply for Halifax credit card. Open your web browser and search www.halifax.co.uk. After opening Halifax website, look for the section or page dedicated to credit cards. Tap on menu, then click on the option borrowing. Here you will find the option credit cards. You will be able to find different kinds of credit cards such as travel credit card, balance transfer credit cards, large purchase credit cards, everyday spending credit cards, World Elite Mastercards, cashback credit card. Browse through the available credit card options to find one that suits your needs and preference. Click on the credit card you want to apply for. For applying, first of all, you have to see if you are eligible for the credit card and select a card and apply. Fill out the online application form with your personal information including your name, address, contact details, employment information, and financial details. Review the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement carefully. Submit your application. Wait for a decision from Halifax regarding your application. This may take a few business days. Thanks for watching.